What if being you isn't just about one separate person, but rather the universe itself waking up to its own existence through your eyes? Imagine for a moment that you're not just flesh and bone, but eternity showing up in human form. This isn't just a poetic thought, it's a deep truth that ancient Stoic masters grasped. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to tap into this divine spark within you, changing your relationship with yourself and the world around you forever. Introduction of the core concept. Each of us carries a flicker of the divine, a spark of the logos, the rational principle that weaves the cosmos together. This logos isn't just an abstract idea, it's the essence that breathes life into our thoughts, emotions, and actions. When we recognize this divine part of ourselves, we embark on a journey of profound self-discovery and mastery, building credibility with ancient wisdom. Let's pause for a second to soak in the wisdom of the Stoics. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This quote captures the Stoic philosophy perfectly. While we can't control the chaos around us, we can master how we respond to it. By embracing the logos within us, we align ourselves with the universe, allowing us to navigate life with clarity and purpose. Application to modern life. In our fast-paced lives, it's all too easy to feel disconnected, overwhelmed, and adrift. We're constantly bombarded by distractions and societal pressures that pull us away from our true selves. But what if I told you that the key to overcoming these challenges lies within? The ancient Stoics remind us that by nurturing reason and virtue, we can turn our inner turmoil into a harmonious existence. Think of life as a symphony. The cosmos is a grand orchestra, and your reason is the instrument that plays the divine melody. When you learn to master this instrument, your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you start to harmonize with the universe. This is what self-mastery is all about. Not just controlling your impulses, but tuning your very being to the cosmic rhythm. The journey of self-mastery. Picture a traveler setting out on a quest to discover a hidden flame within. As they navigate through dark forests and vast deserts, they face obstacles that force them to confront their fears and doubts. In this story, the flame represents that divine spark, the same fire that lights up the stars. With each challenge encountered, the traveler learns that this flame isn't just a flicker but a powerful force that can illuminate their path. This story reflects our own lives. Every challenge we face is an opportunity to strengthen our inner fire. Stoic resilience teaches us to accept fate while exercising our freedom through thoughtful choices. The more we cultivate this inner strength, the more we realize we're not just passive observers, but active participants in the unfolding universe. The aha moment turning point. So why is recognizing the divine within us so important? Because it empowers us to co-create with the universe. When you grasp that the cosmos is alive within you, you start seeing the world in a whole new light. You become aware of how interconnected everything is. Your actions matter, your thoughts shape reality. This realization sparks profound change. By living in alignment with the logos, grounding your life in reason and virtue, you unlock the potential for true self-mastery. You transform into not just a vessel of existence, but a shining beacon in a world that often feels dark. Now, I invite you to reflect. What's the one thing you're trying to let go of? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your insights might just inspire someone else on their journey. Engaging with our community helps us all grow stronger together. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember this. Walk through life knowing that the divine isn't distant. It's alive in your breath, your thoughts, and your very being. You are the cosmos made conscious. Embrace this truth and live as the divine lives, with strength, wisdom, and endless grace. This journey of self-discovery isn't just yours, it's the universe's journey flowing through you. Thanks for being here today, and let's keep exploring the divine that connects us all.